students, now we will see question number 2 of exercise 12.1. So let us see the question first. The question is simplify and express the result in power notation with a positive exponent. So first of all, we need to solve all this question. There are five questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are total 5 questions. We have to solve all this question. We have to simplify using laws of exponents that we have seen, the rules for exponents. So we have to use that and we have to first solve it. We have to simplify it, and at the end when we get the answer, that answer we have to show in power notation. जो फाइनल आंसर आएगा वो अब हमको पावर फॉर्म में बताना है. So let us see how we will be doing this. So first one is -4 whole raised to 5 divide by here -4 raised to 8. So here, as you can see, -4 and -4 bases are same. Here the base is -4, here also the base is -4. So same base and division sign. So what was the rule? The rule says that when we have same base with division sign, we just subtract the powers. So let us see the solution part properly here. Okay, so this is the first question, -4 raised to 5 divided by -4 raised to 8. So applying the rules, so bases are same. This is our rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, same base. Okay, then what we do? A raised to m minus n, we do a raised to m minus n because bases are same and division sign दिया है और सेम बेस है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो दोनों का जो पावर्स है उसको सिंपल माइनस कर देंगे. सो a raised to m minus n. So this way we will do. Now moving ahead, so -4 is the base, so base we will write only one time, और जो पावर दिया है यहाँ पे दिया है 5 और यहाँ पे दिया है 8, उसको माइनस करेंगे. सो 5 minus 8 will give us -3. So our answer is -4 raised to -3. Now further in question it is said that we have to express our answer in power notation and the power should be positive. तो ये जो हमारा पावर है वो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए और हमारा आंसर नेगेटिव में आया है -3. So this -3 we have to make it positive. So again, to remove this negative sign from the power, what we need to do is we need to write this whole term below 1. Okay, so that will give us 1 upon -4 raised to 3. Okay, so that will give us this. So how to remove this negative sign from the power? To remove it, we have to write this whole term below 1. 1 के नीचे ले जाना है पूरे टर्म को, और जो पावर में नेगेटिव साइन है वो रिमूव कर देना है. Don't remove this negative sign from the base. Only this sign from the power will be removed. Okay, so -4 whole raised to -3 is given. So ये माइनस जो 3 के साथ दिया है वो रिमूव करना है हमको, ये वाला माइनस रिमूव नहीं करना है. So 1 upon -4 raised to 3. This is our answer. Now this answer can also be written as like this. अब ये जो 3 दिया है, this 3, the power here, that I can take as whole power. Why I can take it like this? Because here we have 1. So 1 को अगर मैं 1 raised to 3 लिखूंगी, then also there will be no difference. 1 को हम 3 times multiply करेंगे तो भी आंसर 1 ही आएगा. ओके, सो ये जो पावर दिया है 3, वो अगर मैं 1 के साथ भी यहाँ ऊपर भी अगर मैं 3 ले लूँगी, सपोज यहाँ भी मैं अगर लिख दूँ 3, तो कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. इट मीन्स दैट 1 ऑल्सो रेज टू 3 and here -4 also raised to 3. It means that both have the same power. So same power means we can take it common outside. Okay, दोनों का अगर पावर सेम है तो हम उसको कॉमन आउटसाइड बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. तो 1 upon -4 और पूरे ब्रैकेट के बाहर हम लिख देंगे 3. We can do like this. Okay, so what we are doing, we are writing it like this, -1 upon 4 whole raised to 3, because this part and this part is same, it will not make any difference. So -1 upon 4 whole raised to 3, this will be your final answer. Now moving ahead with the second one. Second one is 1 upon 2 raised to 3 and then whole raised to 2 whole square. Okay, so now what we need to do is, first of all we need to open these brackets. Okay, and when you will open the brackets, what will happen, the power 2 which is given outside the bracket, that power, this power 2, it is given outside the bracket. So this power 2 is for 1 also and for this 2 raised to 3 also. ये जो आपका 2 है ये पावर आपका 1 के साथ भी आ जाएगा और नीचे जो 2 क्यूब दिया है उसके साथ भी आ जाएगा. So now just opening up the brackets, so what will happen, this will become 1 square and below it will become 2 cube and then the whole square of it, or you can also call it power to the power. We have seen this in the रूल्स ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. सो 1 स्क्वायर और नीचे भी 2 लग जाएगा. सो 2 रेस टू 3 ऑलरेडी हमको दिया था और उसके साथ ये 2 भी अटैच हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी 2 रेस टू 3 एंड देन अगेन होल रेस टू 2. So this is called power to the power. Now in this case 1 square means 1 we will multiply 2 times. So 1 ones are 1. So we will get 1. Now here 2 raised to 3 and whole raised to 2 means power to the power. Whenever it is given like this, so what we have to do? We have to just multiply these both. So 3 twos are will be 6. So it will become 2 raised to 6. Okay, so 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Now again 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So this 6 which is given, that I can write it as whole power 6. I can take it over all because again here in the numerator 1 is given. So 1 को भी अगर मैं ले लूँगी ब्रैकेट में and if I will write 1 upon 2 whole raised to 6, it will not make any difference because if you open the bracket, what we will get? We will get 1 6 times. 1 6 times means 1 को 6 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? आंसर 1 ही आने वाला है, राइट? 1 1 1 1 1 1 एंड 1 1 1. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 1 6 टाइम्स, आंसर तो 1 ही आने वाला है. और ये जो 6 है वो आपका यहाँ पे भी आ जाएगा 2 के साथ. तो फाइनली तो वही आंसर आने वाला है 1 अपॉन 2 रेस टू 6. सो ये जो हमारा आंसर आया था उसको हम वी कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस 1 अपॉन 2 होल रेस टू 6 बिकॉज वी हैव टू शो इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ exponential form. So this will be our final answer. We can write this as this. Both are equal. Both are same. It will not make any difference. Now moving ahead with the third part. Third one is minus 3 whole raised to 4 and this side 5 upon 3 whole raised to 4. Okay, so this side the first part it is minus 3 raised to 4. So यहाँ पे तो हमको अभी फिलहाल कोई चेंज नहीं करना है. In the next part fraction is given 5 upon 3 and then whole raised to 4. So now here if you remove the bracket, this 4 which is given in the power, this 4 we will get with 5 also and with 3 also. Okay, whenever you remove the bracket, what happens? Whatever power is given outside the bracket, that power, this one, it goes to both the parts, numerator and denominator. Okay, so it will be 5 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4, both will get the power as 4. Now what we can do here? Now we have to remove this negative sign from here. It is minus now here minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4 is given, right? So in this what we will do, minus 3 raised to 4 means माइनस को भी हम 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो 3 दिया है उसको भी हम 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, सो आपका जो माइनस है वो आप 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, minus into minus into minus into minus. So what will happen? We are multiplying minus 4 times. So actually minus will be removed because minus into minus is plus. Again plus into minus is minus. Then again minus into minus is plus. So minus when you take it 4 times means even number of times 2 4 6 even times अगर वो दिया है तो ऑटोमेटिकली माइनस की साइन रिमूव हो जाएगी फ्रॉम द नंबर. यहाँ पे जो आपको -3 दिया है तो ये माइनस आपका रिमूव हो जाएगा बिकॉज माइनस इज 4 टाइम्स. So this way 1 1 2 3 4 times. So minus minus plus, again plus minus is minus and again this minus and this minus will become plus. So actually it is only 3 raised to 4. Okay, and this side 5 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4. Now just like we do cancellations of the number, we do reduce form, we do cancellation of the number. Similarly we can cancel here also. If whole part is same then we can do the cancellation. So ये 3 raised to 4 और ये 3 raised to 4 जो है that will get cancelled off because it is सेम. बेस ऑल्सो सेम एंड पावर ऑल्सो सेम, दोनों सेम है. अगर सिर्फ बेस सेम दिया है, इफ ओनली द बेस इज सेम और ओनली द पावर इज सेम देन यू कांट कैंसल. Whole part should be same. So 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4 whole part is same, that's why we are cancelling off. Okay, if whole part is not same then please don't do cancellation of that. So here everything is same, both are same, so we can cancel it. So 5 raised to 4 is left out and that will be our final answer. Now, moving ahead with the solution part of question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 multiply by 3 raised to minus 5. So first of all, if you see this bracket, here 3 and 3 bases are same. So again we can apply the rule, same base and division sign is there. So whenever the bases are same and division sign is there, then what we do? We do subtraction of the powers. See, the rule is written over here. So whenever it is division sign and bases are same, हम क्या करेंगे? Minus करेंगे. So here we will do minus. So what we will do? First we will solve this bracket part. And this part we will keep it as it is. पहले हम जो bracket में है उसको solve करेंगे. So 3 we will write base one time और जो आपका power दिया है, this power is minus 7 and we are doing minus, so that is why the middle sign will be minus. And again what we are doing minus? This minus 10, so that is again minus 10. Are you getting it? ये नंबर आपका नेगेटिव है और ये माइनस 10 आपका नेगेटिव है और ये मिडल साइन जो माइनस है, दैट इज द रूल दैट वी आर अप्लाइंग. ओके, सो इट actually it will be minus 7 minus minus 10, so it will be minus 7 minus minus 10. Now these minus and these minus, so minus into minus will become plus, so minus 7 plus 10. So minus 7 plus 10 will give you 3 or plus 3 or only 3. So your answer will be 3 raised to 3. So you need to solve it carefully. ओके, रूल अप्लाई करना है और ये दोनों आपको पावर भी नेगेटिव दिया है, तो ये दोनों ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव है और हम करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन, इसलिए मिडल साइन भी माइनस आएगी. ओके, नाउ द आंसर इज 3 raised to 3. नाउ this part is done. Here into 3 raised to minus 5 is given. So now we have got the answer. अब ये जो आंसर आया है, this answer we will solve with this part. So 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. Now the bases are same. 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. Again 3 and 3 bases are same, but multiplication sign is there. So what we will do? We will add these both powers. We will add. So what will happen? We will write 3 only one time and we will do addition. So it will be 3 plus minus 5. Now plus into minus is minus. So actually it is 3 minus 5. And what is 3 minus 5? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So our answer is 3 raised to minus 2. So this is our answer, 3 raised to minus 2. But the power we should never get negative. So we have to remove this negative sign. So again for removing this negative sign, what we will do? We have to write it under 1. So 1 upon 3 square. ये नेगेटिव साइन रिमूव करना है हमको, तो 1 के नीचे लिखेंगे, बट डोंट राइट नेगेटिव साइन ओवर हियर बिकॉज फॉर रिमूविंग दैट ओनली वी आर राइटिंग बिलो 1. सो 3 रेस टू माइनस 2 आया है, सो ये माइनस को रिमूव करना है. सो ये पूरा आपका जो टर्म है दैट वी हैव टू राइट बिलो 1 without this negative sign. So it will be 1 upon 3 square. Okay, 1 upon 3 square. Now 1 upon 3 square you can also write it as 1 upon 3 whole raised to 2. Why? Because again 1 if you multiply 2 times it will not change. The answer will be 1 only. So 1 को आप कोई भी पावर दे सकते हो, 2 3 4 according to the question. So 1 upon 3 square को मैं ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ 1 upon 3 the whole square, because this and this both are equal, the meaning is same. So this is our final answer, 1 upon 3 the whole square. So this was the solution part of fourth one. Now moving ahead with the solution part of fifth one. So this is the last sum, fifth sum. 2 raised to 3 into minus 7 raised to 3. Now here the base is 2 and here the base is minus 7. Both the base are different. So we cannot apply the rule for the same bases. दोनों बेस हमको अलग दिया, यहाँ पे 2 है और यहाँ पे माइनस 7 है. सो यहाँ पे हम सेम बेस वाला जो रूल था वो अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. वी कैनॉट अप्लाई दैट रूल. Now what we can do? So here you can see that bases are not same but the powers are same. यहाँ पे भी -3 है और यहाँ पे भी -3 है. दोनों के जो पावर्स है दैट पावर्स आर सेम. सो दोनों का पावर सेम है तो उसको मैं आउटसाइड, आई कैन टेक इट आउटसाइड एज अ कॉमन, उसको बाहर कॉमन में मैं लिख सकती हूँ. सो ये 2 इंटू -7 है, सो दैट आई विल कीप इन ब्रैकेट 2 इंटू -7 और ये पूरे के बाहर ब्रैकेट के बाहर मैं लिख सकती हूँ -3 बिकॉज ये -3 जो है वो सेम है दोनों के लिए. सो आई कैन राइट इट आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट. वैसे भी जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे दिस ब्रैकेट व्हेन आई विल रिमूव इट व्हाट विल हैपन, वापस यही आने वाला है. ये जो -3 है दैट वी विल राइट विथ 2 and also we will write with 7. so it will not make any difference. So 2 into -7 like this way, and this -3 which is same for both, दोनों के लिए -3 सेम है, पावर सेम है, इसके लिए हम दोनों का जो पावर है उसको बाहर निकालेंगे कॉमन, -3. Now what we can do, we can multiply these both numbers. First they were attached with power, so we cannot multiply. पहले दोनों पावर के साथ अटैच थे तो उनको हम मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते थे. Now we have taken power outside, so now we just have 2 into -7, so now we can multiply it. Okay, डायरेक्टली इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, पहले इसका पावर हमको रिमूव करना है. Now 2 into -7, 2 7 is 14 and minus is given, so -14 raised to -3. So this is our answer, -14 raised to -3. Now this minus is okay, but this minus with the power we have to remove it. ये जो आपको माइनस दिया है that is okay, that will not make any difference, but this negative exponent we have to make it positive. How we will make it positive? Again we have to take it under 1 के नीचे लिखना है, so it will be 1 upon -14 raised to 3, or you can write minus here in the middle, that will not make any difference. So आप इसको 1 के नीचे लिख दो, 1 upon -14 then whole raised to 3. 3 is only for 14, but we can write it as whole because 1 को 3 times multiply करेंगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, it will not make any difference. So we can write it whole raised to 14. So we can write as 1 minus, यहाँ लिख सकते हो 1 upon 14 raised to 3, or you can write it like this, minus 1 upon 14 whole raised to 3. You can write it like this, you can write it like this. Both are same, both are equal, both are correct. So this was the solution part of question number 2. Hope you understood.